Whip out your pen. It's time for Diary of a Wimpy Kid Lightning Round Trivia. I'm your host, Kenan. We have 15 questions lined up for you today. They start easy and get a bit trickier as we go. After each question, you'll have a quick 8 seconds to think. But don't worry, we'll reveal the answer right after the timer runs out. Keep track of how many questions you get right, but most importantly, have a blast. Let's do this. Question 1. What is Wimpy Kid's real name? Answer is Greg. Greg Heffley. Question 2. What is Riley's last name? Answer is Jefferson. Question 3. What is the name of Roderick's band? Answer is Loaded Diaper. Question 4. Whose idea is it for Greg to write in his diary? Answer is his mom. Question 5. What is Greg's dad's name? Answer is Frank. Question 6. What is the name of Riley's favorite singer? Answer is Joshy. Question 7. What is the name of the computer game Greg wants for Christmas? Answer is Twisted Wizard. Question 8. What is the only way to protect yourself from the cheese touch? Answer is cross your fingers. Question 9. What is Manny's nickname for Greg? Answer is Bubby. Question 10. Who plays Dorothy in the school play? Answer is Patty Farrell. Question 11. What part does Greg get in the school play? Answer is tree. Question 12. What does Greg dress up as for Halloween? Answer is a pirate. Question 13. What sport team does Greg join? Answer is wrestling. Question 14. What is the name of the comic strip Riley and Greg create? Answer is Zoo Wee Mama. Question 15. What is the name of Greg's mom beauty salons? Answer is Bombshells. Even if you were a wimpy kid, we still think you were awesome.